This mashup is going to show a Google document with the Gmf add-on. The latest addition to this add-on is the handwriting feature. So this is what I'm going to demonstrate today. So here I have a Google document, and this is one that you can share with students and already have problem sets on there for them to solve. And the way this works is the student needs to first add the Gmf add-on. So if you haven't already done that, go to add-ons and then get add-ons. And from the get add-ons, type in Gmath. And it's this one right here. I already have it installed, so that's why it says manage. If you don't have it installed, you're going to click the button to install it. Once it is installed, you can come back to add-ons and go to Gmath. Here are all the different things that you can do in Gmath. You can create math expressions, create a graph, create statistical display, or create a handwriting entry. This is the one that we're going to focus on today. So when I click create a handwriting entry, on the right-hand side, what comes up is a workspace for me to actually write in. So here I have my problem. In Eileen's school, 3 out of 4 students are bilingual. If there are 784 students in the school, how many are bilingual? Explain your reasoning. So I've got over here my handwriting entry. So I am going to, as a student, start to solve it. I am going to increase this a bit so that I have more workspace. And so here I'm going to do 784. And then I'm going to divide that by 4. And so I'm going to go through my entire process of working it out. I'll do this quickly too. And then come back up. And that is 6. So my first step that I have is 196. So I'm going to insert that over here, and that's my first step. And so as a student, I can actually write step 1. I'm going to now reset this, and now I know that 3 out of 4 of the students are, so I'm going to take 196 and I'm going to times this by 3, and we come up here, and then we have 588. So 588 students. And then since I have it bigger, I'm going to scroll into reset. So here I have my 2 problems. And I can actually, because I did not do this correctly, I'm going to cut that and paste it down here. I didn't have my cursor in the right spot. And then this one right here, I'm going to cut that in. Put that right here. So I can actually put, here is my step 1 as a student. I can put this as my step 2. And then I want to explain my reasoning. And so I can simply come down here and type how I solved things. Since it is an image, I can go through and I can resize if need be. And then here is my explanation. Another nice feature of the Gmath is the ability to be able to speak an expression. So sometimes you have kids that maybe have a trouble writing or can't figure out, but they can actually speak it. So the way that this one works is I'm going to get rid of this. And here the problem is create a math expression including X and solve for X. So I'm going to go to my Gmath add-on and I'm going to create a math expression. And when I come over here, I have 2 different things I can do. If I scroll down, I can see all the different expression symbols that I can insert. But I actually want to speak one. So I'm going to click on the microphone up here in the upper right-hand corner. And if you've already enabled your mic, it's not going to ask you to do so. But if you haven't, you're going to have a top button that comes that says allow or deny. 4x minus 7 equals 5. And then it's actually going to show me what it is. Oh, I put it in twice by accident. So here it is. All I have to do is make sure that my cursor is where I want it and hit insert. And then I can choose to either solve it here by writing, or I can come back to the Gmf add-ons and go back to the handwriting entry and then solve the problem here and then insert the picture. So that is the mashup for today. I hope you found something that you can use with your students.